Hello guys. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you about how to make a collage of pictures. Make sure you watch the video till end so you can understand each and every step. For making collage of pictures, you have to download the InShot app from the Play Store. Now open the app and tap on Collage. Choose the option given here. Select pictures of which you want to make a collage. There are multiples option given below. Tap on Layout for more choices. Here you select the type of collage. Then tap on Tick. You can adjust your picture size. You can also add text here. Now after editing, tap on Export, and your collage is ready. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative